Hello students, welcome to the Power Electronics lecture series. I am Priya Chaudhary from Arya Group of College, Jaipur. In this session we are learning about semiconductor power devices. Today's topic is power MOSFET. Power MOSFET is a type of MOSFET. Power MOSFET are very special to handle high level of power. It shows high switching speed by comparing with normal MOSFET. Power MOSFET will work better. A power MOSFET has three terminals, that is drain, source and gate. It is a voltage controlled device. Its operation depends upon the flow of majority carrier. Only MOSFET is a unipolar device. Power MOSFET are of two types, that is N-channel enhancement MOSFET and P-channel enhancement MOSFET. Construction and working of the power MOSFET. This is the symbol of N-channel enhancement power MOSFET. A simplified structure of N-channel planar MOSFET of low power rating is shown in circuit diagram figure 1.1. On P substrate, two heavily doped N+ regions are diffused. An insulating layer of SiO2 is grown on the surface. Now this layer is etched to insert metallic source and drain terminal. Note that N+ region make contact with source and drain terminal. A layer of metal is also deposited on SiO2 layer so as to form the gate MOSFET in between source and drain terminal. When gate circuit is open, junction between N region below drain and P substrate is reverse biased by input voltage VDD. Therefore, no current flow from drain to source and load. When gate is made positive with respect to source, an electric field is established. Induced negative charge in P substrate below SiO2 layer are formed, thus causing P layer below gate to become an induced N layer. These negative charge called electrons from N channel between two N+ regions, and current can flow from drain to source as shown by arrow in the diagram. If VGS is made more positive, induced N channel layer become more deep and therefore more current flow from drain to source. This shows that ID means drain current is enhanced by gradual increase of gate voltage. This is called name enhanced MOSFET. The main disadvantage of N-channel planar MOSFET is that conducting N-channel in between drain and source gives large on state resistance. This leads to high power dissipation in N-channel. This is shown that planar MOSFET construction only for low power MOSFET. This is the working. The constructional detail of high power MOSFET is shown in this figure. A planar vertical diffused metal oxide semiconductor structure for N channel, which is quite common for power MOSFETs. On N+ substrate, high resistivity N- layer is epitaxially grown. The thickness of N- layer determines the voltage blocking capability of the device. On other side of N+ substrate, a metal layer is deposited to form drain terminal. Now P region are diffused in epitaxially grown N- layer. Further N+ region are diffused in P region. As before, SiO2 layer is added, which is then etched to fit metallic source and gate terminal. A power MOSFET actually consists of a parallel connection of thousands of basic MOSFET cell on the same single chip of silicon. When gate circuit voltage is 0, when gate circuit voltage is 0 and VDD is present, N minus and P minus junction are reverse biased and no current flow from drain to source. When gate terminal is made positive with respect to source, an electric field is established and electrons form a N channel in the P region, that is shown in this basic structure of N minus VDMOS power MOSFET. So a current from drain to source is established as indicated by arrow in this diagram. With gate voltage increased, current ID also increase as expected. Length of N channel can be controlled and their own resistance can be made low if short length is used for the channel. This is the working of this high power MOSFET. The static characteristics are shown here. Static characteristic of power MOSFET describe basic circuit diagram for N-channel power MOSFET, where voltage and current are as indicated. Source terminal S is taken as common terminal as usual and between the input and output of the MOSFET. First is transfer characteristics. This characteristics shows the variation of drain current as the function of gate source voltage VGS. Threshold voltage VGST is an most important parameter of MOSFET. VGST is the minimum positive voltage between gate and source to induced N channel. For threshold voltage below VGST, device is in off state. Magnitude of VGST is of order of 2 to 3 volt. Second is output characteristic. Power MOSFET output characteristic indicate variation of drain current ID as a function of drain source voltage VDS with gate source voltage VGS as a parameter. For low value of VDS, graph between ID and VDS is almost linear, that is shown in the diagram. This indicates a constant voltage of on resistance RDS equal to VDS upon ID. For given VGS, if VDS is increased, output characteristic is relatively flat. You can see in the diagram indicating that drain current is nearly constant. A load line intersects the output characteristic at A and B. Here A indicate fully on condition and B indicate fully off state. Power MOSFET operates as a switch either at A or at B, just like BJT. When power MOSFET is driven with large gate source voltage, MOSFET is turned on, VDS dot on is small. Here MOSFET acting as a closed switch is said to be driven into ohmic region, that is called in the BJT is saturation region. When device turn on, power MOSFET transfers ID-VDS characteristics from cutoff to active region and then to the ohmic region. When power MOSFET turn off, it take backward journey from ohmic region to cutoff state. Third is switching characteristic, that is most important characteristics. Switching characteristic of power MOSFET are influenced to a large extent by internal capacitance of device and internal impedance of gate drive circuit. At turn on, there is an initial delay TDN during which input capacitance charge to gate threshold voltage VGST. Here TDN is called turn on delay time. There is further delay TR. TR is called rise time. There is further delay during which gate voltage rise to VGSP, a voltage sufficient to drive the MOSFET into on state. During TR, drain current rise from 0 to full on current ID. Total turn on time is T on equal to TDN plus TR. Turn on time can reduced by using low impedance gate drive source. As MOSFET is a majority carrier device, turn off process is initiated removal of gate voltage at time T1. Turn off delay time TDF is the time during which input capacitance discharge from overdrive gate voltage V1 to VGSP. The fall time TF is the time during which input capacitance discharge from VGSP to threshold voltage. During TF, drain current falls from ID to 0. So, when VGS is less than equal to VGST, power MOSFET turn off is complete. That is shown in the switching characteristic of power MOSFET. Application of power MOSFET. Power MOSFETs are used in power supplies. Second is DC to DC converter. Third, low voltage motor controllers. Fourth is these are widely used in low voltage switches which are less than 200 volt. If I have explained quickly, you can pause the video and understand. Most of content I have written in the PPT for your better understanding. Thank you.